So now I'm going to show you how to easily label up your keys. First of all, you'll notice the packs come with labels, and this pack is an 8-pack of keycaps, and you have 8 different colours. So take your labels out of your pack. You'll notice there's an elastic band, just easily slip that off, and then you'll see you have printed labels and blank labels. I'm going to show you very easily how to cut to size your labels. First of all, just go to the sink and wash the head of the key to make sure all grease or sticky is off the key. Then you want to cut your label to size. As you can see, the labels are quite big, but this is because our keycaps will fit over bigger size keys and they may need bigger size labels. So all you need to do is cut your label to size. It doesn't matter if you don't get it exactly right, because once the keycap goes over, you can't see the excess. I'm just going to do one side here. Before I stick the label on, it's very simple to just get an idea roughly of where the label goes. So just pop the keycap over the key. As you can see, I need to put the label, the bottom of the label, just at the bottom of those ridges. So there has a backing on the label. You just peel it off easily. Get your key. Don't worry if you don't place it in the right spot immediately, because it easily comes off. These labels are designed over time to get stickier and stickier, but right at the beginning you can take them off and move them around so it fits in exactly the right space. Now if you do have a huge key, an easier way to put the keycap on is to push the bottom and then pull the top up and over, and there you have it, one very nicely labelled up key. As you can see, these are printed, but we do have blank labels, and I'm going to show you how to label these up so you can customize whatever you want. Now the blank label has the actual white matte paper that you write on here, but the top is a transparent protective label. We're not going to take that off yet, but what you would do is simply write, again, estimate how big or small you have to write. I'm going to write Sue here, and then take off the backing, put the transparent protective label over the top so if any water or any liquids get on it, it won't run. And again, you just need to cut to size very easily the label. And I'll just, as an example, put this on the back of here. Same as before, there's an additional backing that you just take off, and again you can cut it to size even more if you want. Put it on the key where you think it's going to go, and the keycap slides on. And there you have it. You can buy these on Amazon, eBay, or on our website, labelkeycaps.com. Thank you so much for listening.